Hey guys, Be Twice here. Today is Monday, June 21st. I wanted to go over some wave theory on Wish. Obviously, Wish has been kind of rocketing higher after it grew um, a lot of traction on Wall Street bets, and then a lot of people started jumping in. There's been a lot of talk about it on Twitter. A lot of financial gurus, everybody's jumping in on it because they see it as an undervalued stock. When I initially did my analysis on it, I was kind of thinking the same thing that it was pretty beat up and it probably deserved to be significantly higher than the $7 and some change that was trading at. Um, when Wall Street Bets obviously first got a hold of it, it had a pretty significant pop. It got sold off somewhere around this 18 range, and then it pulled back. I'm calling that a wave one, pulling back for a two. What I'm actually seeing is that we're in a wave three, going up to hit $26 a share. We'll pull back to somewhere in the 20 range, and then ultimately go up to $30 a share. So I still think there's significant upside in Wish, and I will continue holding myself. Um, Basically, what I'm seeing is we came back and we bottomed for our two. We've pulled up for a wave one. We came down and bottom for two right at the 76.4%. And now we're in this red wave three going up. So we should be hitting probably honestly $15 tomorrow. From 15, we'll see a little bit of a pullback. From this pullback, it could be shallow. This is a 38.2% retracement. It's probably going to be a lot shallower than that. It probably will only go down to like 14 or so, just because there's huge volume trading on this every day. So with that being said, I really don't think it's going to sell off all the way down to the 38.2% retracement. But if it does, I would think that the max bottom will be 13. From there, we should be going back to visit this 18 range, where there'll be another sell wall. That should it probably pulls down a bit, but then ultimately from there, we're going to be ramping up to hit 26. Pull down to 20 and ultimately going up to 30 a share. Now that the stock is getting a lot of traction, a lot of attention, and the volume's pretty high trading on every day, this price action will probably happen very, very quickly. We could see this entire move to the 15 and the retracement and then go back up above and break 15 all in one trading day. So we could be hitting 30 here in the next couple weeks or so. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we if we honestly saw it by the end of the week based upon the volume that's been traded on the stock. So I do think long term this is probably a pretty good hold. I've seen some pretty crazy price targets thrown around, but for this stock, it was actually offered. I think Amazon and Alibaba offered to buy it for to buy Wish, the company, for 10 billion, and right now it's still only worth like it only has a market cap of 8 billion. So there is still upside just in the valuation, and that offer was put on the table several years ago. So I do like this stock long term, and short term due to the attention it's getting from Wall Street bets and the volume that's trading on daily. I do like this stock right now. So if you guys like these videos, go ahead and hit a like and subscribe.